IOD, with reference to IOD mentioned in the news. Can you solve this question? See what will happen in your normal conditions. In the normal condition, there are very strong trade winds. There are very strong trade winds. ये trade winds है, they are very strong. Because the trade winds are strong, how does the trade wind flow? Normal conditions की बात कर रही हूँ. I'm just talking of the normal conditions. In the normal conditions, the trade winds, they are strong. The trade winds are blowing from the northeast and southeast. ठीक है? The trade wind, they are blowing from the northeast and the southeast. Let me draw the map with you so that you will understand in a better manner, and then we can move on. ठीक है? I'm first drawing the map of the Pacific Ocean. The map of the Pacific Ocean. All of you please draw the map with me. All of you please draw this map with me. Okay. This is the Pacific Ocean. This is the winds. ठीक है? This is the winds, the northeastern winds and the southeastern winds. The northeastern winds, the southeastern winds. And what happens is, this is the normal condition. In the normal conditions, in the normal condition, these are the northeast trade wind and these are the southeast trade wind. Because the northeastern and southeastern trade wind, there is pilation of the water here. The water will pile here. We have already seen this. Okay. What do you call this pilation? Is the warm West Pacific pool. The warm West Pacific pool. All of you, what are we studying? We are studying El Nino. In El Nino, what are we studying? El Nino takes place where? El Nino takes place in the Pacific Ocean. Okay. El Nino takes place in the Pacific Ocean. अब El Nino को समझने के पहले ये समझो कि पैसिफिक ओशन में नॉर्मली क्या होता है. नॉर्मली क्या होता है? ये पैसिफिक ओशन दिख रहा है, अच्छा खासा सुंदर सुशील स्वच्छ शांत पैसिफिक ओशन है. यहां से आपकी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न विंड्स आएंगी, यहां से आपकी साउथ ईस्टर्न विंड आएगी. ठीक है? जो ये नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न विंड है और ये जो साउथ ईस्टर्न विंड है, यहाँ पे क्या करेंगी? ऑन द वेस्ट साइड ये एक पाइलेशन करेगी वाटर का. ठीक है? पाइलेशन करेगी वाटर का. अब यहाँ पे अगर पाइलेशन ऑफ द वाटर है, व्हाट वुड बी द प्रेशर कंडीशन हियर? यहाँ पे प्रेशर कैसा रहेगा? इट विल बी लो प्रेशर. यहाँ पे लो प्रेशर रहेगा. नॉर्मली पैसिफिक ओशन में यहाँ पे कौन सा करंट रहता है? एनीबडी, एनी आइडिया? व्हाट इज द करंट हियर? इट इज अ कोल्ड पेरू करंट. कोल्ड पेरू करंट. ये है नॉर्मल कंडीशंस. ये है नॉर्मल कंडीशंस. कोल्ड पेरू करंट है. तो यहाँ पे कैसा प्रेशर कंडीशन होगा? यहाँ पे हाई प्रेशर कंडीशन रहेगा. ठीक है? ये नॉर्मल है. ठीक है? नॉर्मल है. यहाँ पे लो प्रेशर है, यहाँ पे हाई प्रेशर है. किधर बारिश होगी? वेस्ट साइड में कि ईस्ट साइड में? वेयर विल द रेन बी? द रेन विल बी एट द वेस्ट साइड. ठीक है? द रेन विल बी एट द वेस्ट साइड. Where will the rain? This will be the dry side. Dry side. ठीक है? This is what? In the normal conditions. In the normal conditions. ठीक है? Now there is one branch. There is one branch. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? ठीक है? अब मुझे एक बात बताइए. If there is a high pressure, if there is a low pressure here, will the air rise here? Will the air rise? Will the air sink here? Will the air sink here? So there is a rising air here. ठीक है? There is a rising air here, and there is a sinking air here. There is a sinking air. ठीक है? So rising air, okay, and sinking air, and there is one cell. There is a one cell. This is a vertical cell. What do we call this cell as? We call this cell as the Walker cell. Yes, you call this cell as the Walker cell. Is it clear? ठीक है? This cell. यहां तक सबको clear है? Now I want to draw one ocean, that is the Indian Ocean. That is the Indian Ocean. I'm drawing Indian Ocean now. So remember, what are we talking about? We are talking about the normal में क्या होता है? Normally क्या होता है? Normal में. ठीक है? This is which condition? Normally, if there is a low pressure here, if there is a low pressure here over the Australia also, there will be low pressure. ठीक है? There would be low pressure. Comparatively, what would be the pressure here across the Madagascar? Across the Madagascar, यहाँ पे कौन सा pressure होगा? There will be high pressure. ठीक है? तो जब ये वॉकर सेल की तरफ ध्यान दें, ये वॉकर सेल की तरफ ध्यान दोगे तो ये वॉकर सेल का एक ब्रांच है जो किधर जा रहा है? पैसिफिक ओशन में जा रहा है. वॉकर सेल का एक ब्रांच कहां जा रहा है? पैसिफिक ओशन में. और वॉकर सेल का दूसरा ब्रांच कहां जाएगा? इंडियन ओशन में. there is an Indian Ocean cell. In the Indian Ocean there is one other Walker cell. What will the air do here? Will it descend or ascend here? यहाँ पे क्या होगा? There will be descending air here, descending air here, descending air here, ascending air here, ascending air here, ascending air here. ठीक है? Now let us sum this. Let us sum this. What are we talking? We are talking of the normal conditions. In the normal conditions, what is happening? In the normal condition, there is a high pressure along the Peru coast, right? There is a low pressure along, so okay, there is a high pressure along the Peru coast, right? There is a high pressure along the Peru coast in a normal condition. This is which side of Pacific? Along the Eastern Pacific Ocean. Along the Eastern Pacific Ocean, what do you have? You have high pressure. What is the condition along the Western Pacific Ocean? Along the Western Pacific Ocean, there is a low pressure. ठीक है? Along the Western Pacific Ocean, there is a low pressure. And what is happening in the normal conditions? In the normal condition, along the Mascarene, there will be what? There will be high pressure. ठीक है? इतना clear है सबको? Along the Western Pacific, there will be low pressure. Along the Australia also, along the Australian coast also, there will be low pressure. Another side of the Walker cell. ठीक है? This side, I hope you understood. I'm explaining the western side. I'm explaining the Indian Ocean side. यहाँ पे low pressure है. All of you, do you understand? There is a low pressure here. Why? Because there is warm West Pacific pool. There is warm West Pacific pool. Because there is warm West Pacific pool, there is a low pressure. Low pressure है तो हवा ऊपर उठेगी, right? दोनों तरफ हवा ऊपर उठी. एक साइड हवा यहाँ गई पैसिफिक ओशन में, एक साइड हवा यहाँ आई. ये जो हुआ, ये वॉकर सेल बन गया. वॉकर सेल का एक ब्रांच बन गया. दूसरा, अगर हवा यहाँ पे उठी, ठीक है, हवा यहाँ पे उठी, ये इस तरफ गई और यहाँ पे डिसेंड कर दी, यहाँ पे डिसेंड कर दी मैस्करीन के पास, तो मैस्करीन पे कौन सा प्रेशर बनेगा? हाई प्रेशर, ठीक है। तो वही चीज हो रही है, समझो, वॉकर सेल पैसिफिक से यहां से एक जा रहा है, इस तरफ जाके डूब रहा है, यहां जाके इस तरफ जाके यहां डूब रहा है, दैट इज हैपनिंग। Here the air is rising, here also the air is rising, here it is sinking at mascarene, it is sinking at mascarene, and therefore there is a high pressure here. So in the normal conditions there is a low pressure along the West Pacific Ocean, there is a high pressure at the mascarene, and there is a low pressure in the Australian coast.